Welcome to Salika Mag. I am your sewing instructor Sara. I have 9 plus years of teaching experience and 3 years of diploma. Today's lesson about this beautiful A-line dress. We will attach this net sleeves here. This is actually one of my student project. She stitched all this. I just gave her the instructions and she's on a beginner level. Still she did a wonderful job because handling this type of fabric at the beginner level is not easy. So let me show you step by step how you can stitch. First we just use a basic pattern as I just show you in the video, and we fold it from the mid of this armhole. As you can see, the basic pattern I will give link in my description. I already teach you how you can make this basic pattern, and we will trace only this armhole till armhole, and then we cut two pieces, one the original fabric and then the lining. So for back we increase 1 inch extra for the zipper, and we cut the back in two pieces. This also I explain in one of my tutorial. So see, that's how we will join here invisible zipper. So I will show you in this tutorial how you can attach the invisible zipper. And now let me show you how you can attach this net sleeves. We took at least 9 inches at least, and then we gather it on both sides. So I will show you the technique how you can gather here. And this is the umbrella part. I will also give a link in the description. I explain very well how you can cut this perfect umbrella or perfect circle A-line dress, and you can check in the description. And this is the lining. And see, in lining we didn't cut it in a circle, we just cut in a 45 degree. See, you have to place your fabric in this angle, and then just draw your lining like this. Hope you understand. If any question you can ask me. So now attaching the sleeve. This is the sleeve, that net sleeve that we have to attach from here. So let me show you. It will come like a sandwich, 2 layers of fabric, and in between we will place our this net fabric. But before attaching this, make sure you you stitch the perfect gathers, because it will be visible. So gather should be equal. So first we hand stitch it, and then I will show you how you can take it first stitch on a piece of paper, and then you can attach with this. So here your stitch will come, and after that we will stitch on the other side as well, and make sure it is straight, and then only stitch. And then when you turn it inside out, it will come something like this. So but before I will show you how you can stitch it on a piece of paper. So let me explain that part. Take your one sleeve and gather it by hand first, the hand needle. See, this is your basic sleeve, net sleeve, and take a piece of paper, how much you want the width. Here we are going to attach the 2 inches. So at 2 inches, take a piece of 2 inch and place it here like this, and stitch on the piece of paper. So in this way you will get the equal gathers on both sides. So this is very important, because the finishing should be nice and equal for the gathers. And now the next step is to attach this with our lining part. And see, this is almost done, and one side is done. Now we will attach it on the other side as well. Actually we complete this project in different days, so but I combine and edit all the videos. So anyways, you can see here the paper. After stitching we can remove this paper, and see, now the gathers are equal. Now we will attach this on the other side as well. So let me show you how you can attach on the other side. And guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I will show you more tutorials, and if you like this video, just thumbs up, press the thumbs up. So this is the invisible zipper, but before that we will complete our back side stitch on the see, this is our invisible zipper. So invisible zipper will be attached something like this. We will place it on the wrong side, something like this, and then stitch. I will show you in video again, but let me show you first that how we completed our this shoulder part. And see, that's how it is finished, and fold it like this. And guys, dress with lining, I explained very well in one of my video. I will give link in the description, so you can check that as well. So that's how it will come here, on the back side as well. So our sleeve part will be complete. You can recheck it by measuring here that your armhole is okay according to your armhole size. And now we are going to attach the other side as well. And after that, sorry guys for interruption. Anyways, now this part is ready. So you can see here, if any extra fabric you can cut, and if you have a serger or overlocker, that is a game changer. You can use at this part, and you can see all these threads will not come out like this. So anyhow, now you can attach the zipper here, and I just fast forward my video. You can fold it like this and then place your zipper on one side. But before placing, let me show you how you can mark it. So here, just mark a line like this. And basically my purpose to show you guys that you can also start with the difficult fabric as well once you get some practice on basic cotton. So see, that's how you have to stitch, and then turn it like this way, and then open your zip and then stitch on the other side as well. If it's not clear, I will make a video about the invisible zipper. Just let me know in the comment section. I will sure make a video, but I need your feedback. So that's how it's going to turn, and then we will attach it to the other side. So invisible zipper is a bit different than the regular zipper. I already uploaded a video about how to you can attach the zipper. You can check also in the description. I will sure upload all the things. So now our this body part is ready. Now we will attach the frill part, that umbrella or A-line shape. So we will attach the lining and the actual fabric together first, and then see this is the way you can attach it like this. Mark the sides and center, and then attach center with the center, and that's it. So hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, and thank you. Bye bye.